Hi, everybody. It's Dr. Rogers. I wanted to check in with you all since I don't actually physically see you, which is very strange for me. Even when I do teach online, I teach synchronously, so it's really weird to me that I'm teaching this class with students who I don't see face to face. But it is what it is. So I've read your two discussion board postings, and for next week, I want to up the ante. So I wanted to show you guys what I'm going to be looking for you to do in subsequent discussion board postings, which are still due on Fridays once a week. So if you go to communication and you go to discussions, you will now see that there is a new discussion board posting about ethical issues, which I know that most of you have taken ethics classes and or had discussed ethics in medical introduction to medical humanities. So click on ethical issues and you should be able to see the discussion board rubric. So this is a new rubric, and this is what I'm going to be using to grade your discussion boards. So I just wanted to show it to you. It needs to be really specific about the ways in which medical humanities knowledge can be applied to the internship experience. If possible, please do mention the class that you took, what like texts that you read, things that you discussed in medical humanities courses. If you're not sure about what the medical humanities courses are, then go to go.coc.edu//medh, and that'll show you which courses count for our minor. In this case, we're looking for a medical ethics course or intro to medical humanities, okay? And then I want your response to elicit responses and reflection for others. So the question, did I say the question? Well, the question was, what ethical issues arose during your internship experience? So it's a very broad question, but I want you to really think about sort of ethical issues you've experienced. They might be issues related to poverty or end-of-life care. I know one of you mentioned that in your discussion boards. There's lots of ethical issues that come up when we are dealing with people in vulnerable positions. Anyway, so then I want you to integrate multiple views or provide outside resources. So for example, if an issue came up about end-of-life care, about the patient's right to die, for instance, then you could link an article about this so that we, the class, our internship class, can learn more. I want you to write at least 250 words, and then I want you to respond to the two other students in our class with 150 words or more. And those are going to be our discussion board postings for the rest of the semester. We're also going to be writing a paper at the very end of the semester, sort of again integrating medical humanities courses with your internships, and I will be talking to you more about that as the time goes on. So please let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Please pop in during my office hours because I would love to see your actual faces. And everybody take care of yourselves during what is another really difficult semester. Bye.